Hello, everybody. I wanted to talk about this hybrid Celebrace and MARPE patient. This patient has 3D printed metal custom brackets from Celebrace. And also, this patient has MARPE with four TADs, temporary anchorage devices. And you see the band here, and also the device here is 3D printed just for this patient. Maybe I show you the treatment plan. Here you see that this patient has posterior crossbite on the right side, also posterior crossbite on the left side, and also upper right lateral is in crossbite. And also this patient complained about airway sleep apnea. We'll see. I'm hoping that for this 26-year-old patient, the um, MARPE works out, and we'll see if the airway will be improved or not. At Celebrate software, you can check the airway too. Thank you very much, and have a great day.